Here we have a beautiful 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 crew cab truck. Here's a front view. I'm just going to walk around the side. Notice the 20-inch wheels and tires really set this truck off. Notice this is the LT model. Let me just show you. This truck has a spray-in bed liner. Makes it really, really nice when you're carrying things. Don't have to worry about scratching the paint. Come around and take a side view of the other side of the truck. Okay, now let's go inside. First of all, again, 4 full doors. You've got a full back seat, crew cab truck. As we come inside, notice the 40-20-40 split bench seat. This can fold up so you can carry an extra person. Plus, you've got storage down below the seat. Notice your AM/FM stereo radio with CD player. Of course, air conditioning. Of course, you've got your tilt steering wheel with cruise control. Automatic transmission with trailer tow mode. One of the safety features of this truck is StabiliTrak. Of course, you've got the electronic 4-wheel drive shifter. You can shift on the fly. You've got dual glove boxes. You've got an upper glove box and a lower glove box. Going to the back seat. Notice you've got full seat. These seats just lift if you need flat storage. Pardon the floor mats on the floor. But notice that you've got flat storage available with the seats folded up, or you can fold them back down. Have comfortable seating in the rear. You've got cup holders between the seats, as well as a cup holder in the back of the console. Again, this truck has power windows and locks. Has a little under 28,000 miles. Really, really clean. Just a beautiful truck. The 20-inch wheels and tires really set this truck off. Let me take one more exterior view of it. Now I'm going to kind of get back to give you the full view. That is one good looking truck.